Locals in Taos describe a relentless low-frequency hum that causes insomnia and geoprecocious subterranean rage. The vibration coming through the chassis suggests the sound originates from deep within the lithosphere, likely resonating within quartz veins. My equipment indicates the frequency is at Satinharko, which is the Zaidao, causing visual hallucinations in anyone nearby. I suspect the humming isn't random noise but a data transmission, which means the Earth itself might be trying to upload something. The visual distortion in the air ahead resembles heat haze, but the temperature is actually dropping, suggesting a warp in the fabric of spacetime. I'm going to collect a core sample from the bedrock to see if the crystalline structure has been reorganized by the acoustic pressure. The rock didn't shatter, it screamed when I hit it, producing a sound wave that was visible to the naked eye. My geophone readings are off the charts because the ground isn't just vibrating, it's acting like a speaker diaphragm for something massive beneath us. Vegetation around us is calcifying instantly, turning organic matter into stone as the frequency reaches a critical pitch. I'm tracking the source of the hum into a fissure that wasn't on the satellite map 5 minutes ago, which means this landscape is changing in real time. The air pressure here is dropping so fast my ears are popping, and I can see condensation freezing on my gear. I found a cavity in the rock that looks like a giant geode, but the crystals inside are growing fractal patterns that mimic computer circuitry. These crystals aren't emitting light, they are manipulating gravity, bending the light around them to create a cloak. I'm placing a sensor node directly on the main crystal cluster to measure the information density of the signal. The data stream is binary, but it's thousands of years old and it's looping, suggesting this is a recording rather than a live transmission. The humming just stopped, which can only mean the message has finished downloading or the system is rebooting for a purge. Whatever I just touched reacted to my bioelectricity, and now the walls are bleeding a liquid that looks like liquid mercury. The mercury is converging into a humanoid shape, confirming that this anomaly isn't just a machine but a biological entity using technology as a shell. I realize now that the Taos hum is the sound of a reality anchor failing, and this entity is the design to prevent total dimensional collapse. The entity isn't attacking, it's uploading the history of the future into my mind to show me what happens if the anchor breaks. The truth is that we are the anomaly, a parasitic simulation that drained too much energy, and the Earth is simply rebooting to delete the virus. Everything I touch is turning into raw data, proving that matter itself is just a construct we are no longer allowed to use. I am not deleting, I am being archived, preserved as a specimen of the extinct species called humanity. The reboot is nearly complete, and the silence is the most beautiful sound I have ever heard because it means the pain is over. If anyone finds this recording, know that we weren't destroyed, just saved to the cloud for a later version of the universe. The Taos hum has ceased, and in the quiet, I believe reality and am loud that forgot how to listen.